Hey everyone. Today is August 12th and it is a Thursday. And today I'm gonna bring you through my night routine. Right now it is 7:03 p.m. and I'll walk you through the night and then how I wind down and we'll go from there. Hey, so it is 8:34. And I just got done some work. We have decided that we will have some family time tonight, so we're playing some Jackbox. But before we do that, I want to show you the power tune that I created for this hiking event. My nose is itchy. Excuse-moi. Yes, but power tune is pretty awesome. Here, I'll give you a look. Ooh. That's pretty sick, eh? There's still some stuff I have to work on with the transitions and the positioning and spicing up the pictures. But I think that's a pretty good starting point. Right now it's 8:37 and around 8:30 is the time I start to wind down. I typically don't like to do work after 8:30. It is the summer. I know that during the school year, it's probably not gonna keep happening. No, apples! Usually I would have an apple at night, but because there are no more apples, I'll be having a tomato. What? Do you feel awkward that a camera is just watching you? Who's that? Your boss? Yeah. Your boss has a minion profile picture? It's pretty sick. No. Go. Mom.
From you.
Dad. For those of you who don't know what Jackbox is, it's a game you play with friends and family. So you have a shared screen and then each player plays on their own phone or device. I think that the games are just super fun and unique, so I'd say #worth. It did cost around 15 bucks for an action pack, and each action pack has 5 games to it, but we used it as a family so much that I think even if it was 100 bucks now looking back in hindsight, I still think it'd be worth it. Okay, so at 9:30, now is when I usually brush my teeth. The reason I went from like brushing my teeth right before bed to doing it at 9:30 is because I never used to wear my retainer. So what I decided to do was I can brush my teeth at around 9:30 and then bring my retainer to my room and just have it next to my bed waiting there. That way it's so easy that just before going to bed, just pop him on. And I've lived by that motto of like, in order to build a habit, make it simple, make it easy. And I mean, it's worked. I've worn my retainer for like 2 months in a row. And what other teenager can say that? Literally, what other teenager? Hello. Right now it's around 9:45, so we just finished playing Jackbox. And do you remember this RAM? I think this RAM was in my first video. that recorded? Bro, no, cut that out, boy. I can't be seen doing that. Then at around 10:30, Sam and I will usually go to John's room and we just watch some YouTube for a bit before we wind down. Toss these socks onto my bed. I won't wear them right now just because it is burning hot. Right now it is 10:43 and I'm usually in bed at around maybe 11:05 to 11:10. So you might be asking, David, what do you do in between the time where you finish watching that video with Sam and sleep? Well, I journal daily. I generally like to dim things down. Okay, not that dim. Hold on, guys. There you go. Hello. Here, I'll put you guys down right here. I journal on my computer. I don't like to paper journal, and I use an app called Day One. So each night I'll create a new from template and my night journal, and then these are the questions I go through. So today would be day 60, and I have this right next to my calendar. And I kind of just go through everything that happened in that day, and then I jot down 3 wins, some lessons learned, and then the number 1 thing that I could have done today and apply it tomorrow. And that way, based on the lessons I've learned, I can kind of make sure that I enact change from it. And then my favorite thing of the day. Alright, so I'm finished my journaling. No peeking, stop. I realize right now that you guys cannot see me at all. So I finished my journaling. It is 11 p.m. exactly. Well, it's 10:59 p.m. I got my retainer on right now. Every night, I just love to open a fantasy book. And Sam has a lot worse insomnia than me, and he has recently picked up reading at night too. And he says it's also a cure for insomnia. I'm telling you, if you struggle with insomnia, try reading. It's so awesome. Because it's the summer, let me just show you my fan. Right now it's super hot, but the thing is, I can't have the fan blowing through it the entire night, because in the morning I'm already freezing. If my fan's blowing through it the entire night, I will literally become an icicle. So I think this is a fan at Costco, but it allows me to actually set a timer. I don't know if you can read it, but this means that in half an hour, it will automatically turn off on its own. And that way, while I'm sleeping, it can stay cool. But then in the morning, I am still thawed. I hope you enjoyed my night routine. I'm gonna take a little trip in Fantasyland before bed. I hope you had an awesome time with me today. And good night, everyone. Bye. Give you a kiss goodnight. Bye.